Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And I have some products from Stylvana. Stylvana has been very wonderful to me and has sent me products before, and they've sent me some more. And there are 6 products here, and I'll have all the links below if there's something in particular that you're interested in. I'll have their website below. Their website is just chock full. They have thousands of products on their website, and they have sales galore, all kinds of sales. You'll save a lot of money. They have weekend deals. They have other kinds of sales. If you use my code INF10CATS in INF10CATS, you'll save 10% on your order, but not on the great deals because the great deals are already very low priced. But I'll have all that information below. They do have, if you spend $59, you get free shipping. If you're in Canada and spend $75, you get free shipping, and also other countries. They've got all kinds of, they ship everywhere in the world. So, and their products are really wonderful. Asian beauty, Korean beauty. So what I did was I went through the products, and they mostly were sealed. So I did cut the seal so it would be easier for us to see. So this is by Pexels. And this is called Safe Recipe. Is panthenol and ceramide SPF 50. So this product is, excuse me, for your face. And it's a nice metal tube. It's a really cool metal tube. It's probably one of those that's sealed. Oh, well, it has a little, well, maybe it's not metal tube. It feels like it, but maybe it's plastic. I'm not real sure. But anyway, that is, how you use this is as a last step of skincare, apply evenly and gently massage until absorbed. So this is great to use in the morning because it has that SPF 50. So that will be wonderful. Excuse me. I'm having trouble with my voice today. I'll take pictures of everything and put them on Instagram so you can see as well. And then we have, this is so pretty, my signature sea source, it says. And this is, I'm not sure how, Tia, I'm not sure how to say a lot of these names. This says restore skin elasticity and even tone complexion, containing original pure vitamin C at 20%. And just such a pretty package. And this is, it has the dropper there. And then most of the time, from what I've always been told, vitamin C should be in a dark bottle so that the light doesn't get to it. And it, you know, it stays fresher that way. So this is a nice serum. It's a thin serum. And it's a lot of Korean on there, but it is, I can see it's a serum. Once you open it, you put your dropper in there. And I'm excited to get that. I don't really have a lot of vitamin C products, so I'm excited to get that. And then this, I've had this before, and this is very nice. This is by the brand Be Plain, down here, Be Plain, and it's Seekaful Ampule. And I might have gotten this from Facetory in the past. This is a very nice, see how it is, it's, if you can see that, it's a little on the thicker side. It's not real thin, it's not watery thin. And it has a dropper in there. And so that's a serum as well. Let's see what it says. How to use. Soothe your face with toner and then gently apply a few drops on your face and neck. Ideally use twice daily in the morning and the evening. So they want you to use it twice a day. So, you know, there are different steps to skincare. I've talked about that before. A lot of people have their own idea of what they like to do. And I say, as long as you'll do skincare, do it the way that feels best to you. I've always heard you go from the thinnest product to the thickest product, but some people put their serums on last. And to me, a moisturizer is thicker than a serum, so I usually put an oil or a serum on before my moisturizer. So that's probably when I would use something like this. Excuse me. So that is, I love and their packaging, Korean beauty products are always packaged so pretty, so pretty. And then I have the Yuja Niacin. This is 30 Days Brightening Starter Kit. So niacin is great for acne. And this is a 30-day kit. It says There's toner, serum, gel cream, and sleeping mask. So let's open that up. It was sealed, and I did break the seal. This is by the brand, I'm sure I'm not going to say it right, but Some By Me, maybe By Me. And this is so pretty, y'all. I love how they packaged it. You got your yellow tray, and we've got brightening moisture gel cream. So for blemish care is what it says, skin brightening care. And it has a orange or lemon on it there. And then this is the toner is here. And the blemish care serum is here. And then the brightening sleep mask. So this is supposed to last you for 30 days. And this is a great way to help you out if you have blemishes, or to keep you from getting blemishes, to help you if you have blemishes. Because, you know, it's been a long time since I've had blemishes, y'all. And when I was younger, there was a whole different view on it. But you still should moisturize your face, even with blemishes. When I was a kid, we were told to keep our face dry, like use alcohol and stuff like that on our skin. To prevent blemishes, and that just dries out your skin, and then your skin gets flaky. So you do have to still take care of your skin. So this is a wonderful kit for somebody with blemishes, and you could try it for the 30 days, and then if you like it, I'm sure you can buy these packages individually on Stylvana's website. So that is very, very nice. And then this beautiful package, y'all. I've had this brand before. I think it's pronounced Heimish. Heimish. Look at how pretty that package is. You know, Christmas is coming up, y'all. This is just beautiful. It's called the Bulgarian Rose Special Set. And it's packaged so beautifully. If I can show you, let me get it started. See how that is? You're going to pull this off. And look at how beautifully this is wrapped. Now, when I opened everything, I did not open this up, so I'll still have to open this. But isn't that beautiful? What a beautiful presentation this would be on Christmas morning for your mother or your sister or your best friend or something. Let's see what's in here. Okay, we've got the Tone Up Sunscreen, Bulgarian Rose Tinted Tone Up UVA and UVB Protection SPF 50. That's this pretty packaging. Let's see what that looks like. Ooh, how pretty. Oops. It's in there very nicely. Oh yeah, it's in a little thing to keep it. The packaging is very nice. Look at how pretty that package is. Tone Up Sun. That is just beautiful. I love that kind of a bottle because it doesn't roll. You're not going to lose it if you have it with you at the pool or something. Bulgarian Rose. Let me see. It's not sealed. I can't really smell it, but I know it may have a rose scent to it, and some people don't like that, but I'm sure they have other beautiful kits like this, especially with Christmas coming. And then we have a satin cream, this says, and this one says Bulgarian Rose Water. So let's see, we'll open this one next. It has all the beautiful Korean writing on it. How to use. After cleansing and toning, place the eye patch on the desired facial area using the enclosed spatula. These are eye patches. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I love eye patches. They're one of my favorite things. Okay. And all right, so here's the beautiful, oh my goodness, this kit right here would make any woman so happy. And men too. Men use these things too. Heck, yes. Let's look how it's just so pretty. All right, let me open it up. And okay, it usually comes with a nice spatula, and then it opens this way so that you can keep it fresh. Because when you open this, you're going to pop a seal a little bit there. Oh, look at how gorgeous those are. Can you see? Now I can. It's sparkling. It has glitter in it. Maybe you can see a little bit of the glitter. Those are beautiful. And what you do is you scoop up one and put it on. Can you see that? See, you see 1 and 2. And so in here is probably, I don't see a number, but usually there's about 30. So that would be 30. Well, usually I think there's about 60 actual eye masks because you have 30 times you can use it. Hope that makes sense. I know I heard some talking in the background, and so I think Alexa's talking in the bedroom. I don't know why, because nobody's there except the cats. What they might have said to her to make her talk. I don't see. I see number 2. Let's see. Usually there's about 30 sets. Like I said, so there's 60 in there, but I don't see it anywhere on here. But it says this 100% water-soluble hydrogel eye patch is packed with moisturizing and nutrient-rich Bulgarian rose water that keeps skin supple, hydrated, and glowing. And leave them on for 20 to 30 minutes. After you clean your face, you put them on. You know, oh, is just, oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. And then the last package in here is called Satin Cream. Look at how pretty that is, y'all. And then this all fits together so nice. I just think this would be such a beautiful Christmas gift for somebody, or birthday gift, or any other reason. Oh, this is gorgeous. Okay, look at that pretty seal it has right there. And we're gonna break that seal if I can. Because I want to see what it looks like in there, because it looks absolutely gorgeous. I may have to come back, y'all, because this, maybe I can, okay, I was going to try to peel it off, but I just snapped it. And look at, oh my goodness, the packaging is gorgeous. See how pretty that glass jar is? Well, it's plastic, but it is loose, thick. And then you take this up, oh goodness. See, it has a very mild rose scent. Look at how rich and beautiful that is. Very mild rose scent. Very, very mild. Oh, is that lovely. And this will make such a beautiful gift for someone. Like I said, what woman wouldn't like this? And like I said, men too, because we've got your moisturizer, nice thick moisturizer. I would use this before I went to bed. And then we have our under eye patches, love it. And then we have our SPF, Tone Up Sunscreen. It says that it's a tinted tone up. I wanted to see if there was more information about it. A fluid type sunscreen with a bright pink color creates natural tone up. Shake lightly before use and gently apply to your face and neck. Okay, so this is, so like anybody can use this. Men and women can use this, and it's a gorgeous gift. So that is my Stylvana this month, y'all, and it's beautiful. And thank you so much, Stylvana, for thinking of me. I really love it all. Like I said, I'll put a picture for y'all to see all this. There is the Bulgarian Rose set. This is another great gift, stocking stuffer or something, a 30-day trial of this for blemishes. Wonderful. And then we have the Kato Cream Be Calm, P Calm, and the lovely Vitamin C. I'm excited about that one. And the Seekaful, the Be Plain. Like I said, I've had that before, and I really like that. So thank y'all for stopping by and seeing Stylvana. And thank you, Stylvana. Oh, I forgot this one. The Safe Recipe, Panthenol, and Ceramide. Thank y'all so much for stopping by. Count your blessings. Take care. Bye-bye.